sounding very loud and very pretty. Oh, we weren't focused for a second there. Very good. Sounded hella, very nice. So let's get going. So we have arrived. There's really not a lot of people here, to be honest with you. It is only just now about, yeah, it's about 7:29. The meet starts at 7:30. Hopefully more people will show up. I mean, there is a lot of people pulling in currently right now, but it's not a big meet so far, but hopefully there is a few good things. So let's walk around. God damn, some people in their base, dude, I swear to God.
That's what I said to my dad, but he didn't do that, so. Well, I left like my dad did.
The meet has definitely populated quite a bit. It's still a lot of kind of cars that are just not really my style or what I like to see, but I have seen quite a few actually that make the meet pretty decent.